Hello everyone, myself Yashrasi Mandloy and I am currently pursuing my study at IIPS College as an IT student. And this is a video presentation presented by me and my teammate Yugul on the project Apni Kitabe under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. The project Apni Kitabe is an e-commerce website in which you can buy the books according to your field of interest, and as suggested by the name Apni Kitabe, the website will have all the necessary academic books that are required in your field of study. And now moving on to the tools and technologies. As it is a full stack web development project, we have used both front end and back end technologies. The first is TypeScript. TypeScript, which is a superset of JavaScript language. Angular 2, which is a TypeScript based free and open source web application framework. Bootstrap, which is a CSS framework. Angular CLI, which is a command line interface tool that is used to initialize Angular applications. Node.js, which is an open source backend JavaScript runtime environment. The text editor which we are going to use is Sublime Text. And now for backend, we have Spring Framework, which is an application framework for the Java platform. And we have MySQL as the open source RDBMS, Hibernate ORM, which is an object relational mapping tool for Java language. So those were the tools and technologies that we are going to use. And now moving on to the planning phase of the project. We will start developing the project bit by bit or step by step. The first step is getting started. This is a backend approach of the project. So in the first step, we'll set up admin portal environment. We'll set up Spring Boot. We'll add domain models. We'll add Spring Security. We'll add the database, and we will add the login components for the user. To admin portal, which is also a backend designing step. In this step, we will add book components, we will add more domain models, and we will finally finish the admin portal function. The step 3, which is the front end designing step for the website. In this step, we will set up storefront environment, we will add navbar, we will add my account, and we will give the facility to the user to add and edit its information. 3.2, we will add the user payment gateway and we will add user shipping. In step 3.3, we will provide the book list, we will add the book information, and we will add a shopping cart in which the person can add the number of book items he want to purchase. In the step 3.4, we will provide a search option and an order button. So this was the planning of the project Apni Kitabe. And in the further section, Yugul will explain you the project module. So over to Yugul.
Hello everyone, myself Yugul Solanki and I'm going to briefly explain you modules of our project. The first one is account module. When a user will visit the website Apni Kitabe, he can explore the website as a guest and will be having options like login, create account, forget password, etc. If he is an existing user, he can log in with his credentials and view his order history, view his profile, edit profile, billing, etc. The second module is browse books. That is, user will be having options like search and view books details. The third module is cart module, or we can say shipping cart, in which user is able to add and remove cart items and can proceed with checkout, which includes payment options, billing, shipping, etc. The last one is book module. In this, admin can add books, delete books, and also he can update books. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.